Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Davis here. How are you doing? Do you have a problem with rainy days when you wear your shoes get wet every time when it's a rain? Let me tell you something. In Malaysia, usually we are a tropical country. Usually, almost every day you will have some rain encounter. Sometimes you don't have rain. Yes, maybe. But in sometimes, yes, you do have rain. Today, I'm going to unboxing this shoe. Oh, this side. Finally get it. This is a shoe from Vessi footwear. They claim their shoe is waterproof, and this actually is my second shoe. I actually have brought it one pair of the shoes last year, been using 1 year. So why I get this second time from Kickstarter, Vessi footwear? I'm gonna tell you why I'm getting this shoe, and I'm gonna do this unboxing to you. So if you guys haven't been hearing from Vessi, who is Vessi? Actually Vessi is a Kickstarter company. They make their shoe which is waterproof, and I look at the website, I like it so much, but I don't think we need it today. Oh yeah. Ooh. This is how they are packed. So if you guys wondering why my phone is over here, actually I'm recording this video using the Osmo Pocket. If you guys want to know about how I'm going to use my Osmo Pocket, then I will do a video about that. So let's see. Oh, throw it away. This is where I see a bit cram up the box. So what I get here is the Luna Black Skyline. As you can see, let me see. You can see here. Yep, you can see. So this is Vessi. They are a Kickstarter funded company. Let's open this up, shall we? So why I get this second pair are, the reason being is this is fully back. Previously I have a shoes, if you want to see, I can put it in here. As you can see, this is a Cityscape which I brought last year. I've been wearing for 1 year. Bit of complaint on the shoe sole, which is white color, which I don't like. If it get dirty, the tone will be make it two color. Usually it's black and white. If I want it in fully black, which is just like this. This is a Vessi shoe. So inside you do have a shoe. What else do you have? So this is the shoe. Reviewing this shoe with my friend together, but so that shows whether it's waterproof, really waterproof, and let's see what's what. So let's do the reviewing on this pair of Vessi. So I bring my Vessi here today to do a review with my friends. Let's go! This shoe, why it didn't get in water, because it's a nano fibrate inside, which is the air can get out but the water can't get in. If you can see, I don't think you can see from there. So that's all the review. Back to the studio. Yeah, back to my room. So the secret behind this shoe, why it's waterproof. Okay, as you can see, this shoe is using a nanotech fibrate, which is you can breathe out the air inside, it can go out, but the water will keep the water out. So this is what they use to protect, and this is a quite solid shoe compared to the previous one, and the sole is quite fitting. As the review video you see, the shoe is truly waterproof. So I would suggest you get one pair of this. If your country is in Malaysia or somewhere else, usually will be rain quite often, then maybe you can get this pair of Vessi. It definitely will help you. And well, how much is the shoe cost me? That's the most important things, right? A lot of my friends told me about hey Davis, why don't you just get a wax on top of your shoes? It might do the magic there. But you must know that the shoe wax every time you need to apply, and every time, then after for some time, then you need to apply again. With this, you don't need to do this. Just wear it, go out, settle it, the problem. So I've been wearing this for other sites for 1 year, but I would definitely try out this one, and this is without the lacing all over. So this is much simpler design. Quite nice. This is a quite solid sole compared to last year. Yeah, I will wear this definitely. So there you go. If you like it, please press like. That definitely helps a lot to let me keep on coming. And if you are interested, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.